Hi, I'm Drew with RWS, and in this tutorial, we will cover the shortcode feature of the Realty Web Syndicate IDX plugin for WordPress. The RWS IDX plugin includes a feature to easily insert the shortcode directly into the page text editor. Right above the text editor appears the IDX button that allows you to simply click the shortcode in order to insert it into the text editor. When you click the IDX button, a window will appear with the shortcode options. In the first tab, we'll display a list of system shortcodes with descriptions. Simply click on the shortcode link to insert the code into the text editor. The second tab is a query builder form for creating the listing filter shortcode. The filter listing shortcode is used to render multiple property listings within pages or posts. Essentially, we are creating a preformatted search, entering the criteria, and when the visitor goes to the page, it'll render the search results based on the search criteria that you entered. Using the query builder, you can easily add search criteria to customize what listings will display within the WordPress content. For example, you can add specific criteria to display all properties that are single family, priced minimum of $3 million, located in the city of Naples. Click Add Criteria. Now we're selecting a minimum value. And now we enter the price without any commas or $sign. Strictly integers, and that's 3 million. Now we're going to select the property type. We'll do single family. Now when I click Insert Shortcode, it'll automatically insert the shortcode based on the criteria that I selected. The query builder is very flexible and offers the ability to create complex search queries using multiple Boolean operators. Boolean operators will help to either narrow or broaden your search queries. You can limit the number of properties that appear in the search results by setting a max limit value. Set the max limit to 0 to display all property listings that match the search criteria. Limiting the search results will improve the page loading speed and should be employed whenever it is not necessary to display hundreds of listings. The listings per page allows you to change the default listings per page displayed for the listings. By default, the map will not display for filter listing shortcode. You can choose to enable the map by selecting the Yes for Enable Map. There are 3 listing item template options that are available, and you can select those from the drop-down here. You can create wildcard-like queries. Search filters can be configured to match a pattern that is contained within the listing field. Wildcard searches can be used with the like option. Range values can be filtered using the min-max query by appending min or max to the filter name. For example, we can set a minimum value for the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, as well as price. We can also set a max value for the price. And simply insert the shortcode. Now when I hit the Publish button, now I can view the page. Here we have the map, which can be hidden. And we have 7 listings that match our search criteria. The third tab is for inserting the listing detail shortcode. The listing detail shortcode will display the full listing details, including slideshow, features, and map. Simply enter the MLS ID into the form and click Insert. Now this will render the full listing information. Here we see all the listing information. We're also prompted to register if the registration prompt is enabled in the settings. The listing item shortcode is used to display the listing item, including thumbnail, title, description with link to listing details. The listing item refers to a basic view of the listing and is best suited for displaying multiple property listings within the same post. Simply enter the MLS ID into the form and click the Insert Listing button. Now if I view the page, it'll render just a listing item and not the full listing, and I can either click the title or more details, which will take me to the full listing details. This allows us to display multiple listing items on the same page. The agent profile shortcode is used to display information from the agent's profile. For example, if the agent inserts the agent company name tag, then the company name value entered by the agent in the profile will display. Simply click on the shortcode to insert it into the page content. Now it renders the name of the company as entered in the profile. Again, you can change the profile information by going to the IDX plugin, select Profile, and here you can edit your profile information. And that concludes the short tutorial regarding the shortcode feature for the RWS IDX plugin.